can I ask you something? Why do you understand English, but you feel afraid to speak?
Yeah, maybe you know many words. Maybe you understand videos. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank.
Your heart beats fast. You think, what if I make a mistake?
Or maybe you think, my English is not good enough.
If that sounds like you, stay with us, because today, this conversation might change how you feel about English forever. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English, where learning English is simple, fun, and real.
Here, we help you speak English with confidence, step by step.
No stress, no pressure, just real conversations.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
All right, let's start.
So today, we are talking about something very important.
Confidence.
Not grammar, not vocabulary, confidence.
Because here's the truth.
Your problem is not your English.
Your problem is fear.
Yes, fear of making mistakes, fear of people judging you.
But let's think about this.
When a baby learns to walk, do they walk perfectly the first time?
No, they fall. Again and again.
But do they stop?
No, they keep trying.
That is confidence.
Confidence is not, I am perfect.
Confidence is, I will try.
And that's what we want for your English.
Let's look at a simple situation.
Imagine you meet someone new.
Maybe you want to say, hello, nice to meet you. My name is...
But you feel shy, so you say nothing.
Let's change that.
Repeat after us.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
my name is...
Very simple, very powerful. Now let's do a short dialogue. I'll start. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Did you see that?
Simple sentence. No difficult grammar.
Now you try.
Say it with us. Hi, what's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Good job.
Even if it's not perfect, it's okay.
Let's try another situation.
You are in a cafe.
You want to order coffee, but you feel nervous.
Here's what you can say.
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
That's it.
Simple, clear.
Let's practice.
Say it with me. Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Again. Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Now let's add confidence.
Stand straight. Smile.
And say it again. Okay, now it's your turn.
Try this now.
Say your name out loud.
Say where you are from.
Now say, I am learning English.
Good.
Now a question for you.
Why are you learning English?
Say your answer.
Maybe you said, for work, for travel, for school.
Or maybe, to feel confident. Let's talk about mistakes.
Because many people are afraid of mistakes.
But listen carefully.
Mistakes are good.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
If you never make mistakes, you never learn.
Imagine this.
You go to the gym for the first time.
Are you strong on day one?
No,
But if you practice every day,
you get stronger.
English is the same.
Speak a little every day,
Make mistakes every day.
and you will improve.
Confidence is like a muscle.
The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Did you ever feel shy speaking another language?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Yes. I felt nervous. I made mistakes.
So what did you do?
I kept speaking.
Even with mistakes?
Yes, especially with mistakes.
That's powerful.
Because I understood something important.
What?
People don't care about your mistakes.
Wow.
They care about communication.
Let's practice expressing feelings.
Repeat after us.
I feel nervous.
I feel shy.
I want to speak English.
I will try.
Now combine them.
Say, I feel shy, but I will try.
Again.
Let's do a small challenge.
Today, speak English for 1 minute.
Just 1 minute.
Talk about your day.
Talk to yourself.
Or record your voice.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need to speak. Let's remember what we learned today.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Speak every day, even a little.
And most important,
Don't be afraid. Now it's your turn.
write in the comments.
I will speak English with confidence.
Yes, write it now.
And don't wait.
Start today.
Speak 1 sentence.
Then another.
If you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like it.
subscribe to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
And share it with someone who needs confidence.
We believe in you.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And we will see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.